everyone knows how good food is on a big green egg. And I'm gonna show you how to make a chuck roast. So a lot of people make brisket, which is still pretty cool, but chuck roast, still big, bold, beefy flavors, more fat, more moisture. Well, there's still a lot of moisture in a brisket when you do it right, but this will just give you an extra layer of protection. Come over here, let's have a look at the meat. So what I have here is a chuck roast, as I mentioned, mustard on there and rub, wrapped it, let it sit for 24 hours. And then all we're gonna do is I have my egg. We're gonna get this going up to about 235, 250. I'm almost there, but I'm just gonna put it on right now. I have some hickory chips and a little bit of mesquite. I have my convector in there for obviously indirect. We're gonna do this low and slow, just like you would a brisket, until we reach an internal temperature of about 200 degrees. The only thing we need to do is make sure we'll wrap it pink butcher paper at 160. It has all the smoke it needs at that point, and 160 will just give that layer of protection to make sure it doesn't dry out. Keep that moisture inside. We'll check on it in a bit. Okay, we're at about an internal of 160, time to wrap. What I'm using for wrapping is pink butcher paper. It's called Smokin' Pink. This brand, I got this from GP Home Furniture in Chilliwack, but look for it online if you're not in the area or wherever you like to buy your barbecue supplies. What we're gonna do at 160, like I say, we're going to wrap it just to keep that moisture in for the last part of the cooking time, because we want to get to an internal about 200 degrees or just over 200. So we'll make sure that we keep the probe in there, and we're just gonna wrap it around the meat while keeping the probe in there, just to make sure it has a little bit added more protection against moisture loss. Just keep the probe right in there, it's all good. Open up your egg and put it back on there. Doesn't have to be perfect, as long as we get that protection. And close her up. We'll see in a bit. Okay, we're at internal temperature of 200 degrees. So we're gonna take this baby off. I'm gonna go inside, stick it in a cooler for about a half hour to an hour, let it rest, and we'll cut into it. All right, let's unwrap this baby and have a look. So it's been resting now for a bit. See how warm it is? When you put it in a cooler, it just keeps that heat. It's amazing. Coolers are not just for keeping things cold, folks. It's an insulated box. Let's get rid of this. So this is our chuck roast. Beautiful.